Segment, measurement and construction. Line segment. Line segment. To measure the length of the given segment. To measure the length by using divider. To draw a segment of given length. Hello dear students, how are you all? Did you all bring sketchbook and compass box today? Okay, now today we are going to learn measurement and construction of segment. We have a ruler in our compass box. Now what is the use of this ruler? Right, to draw a straight line. Okay, this is a line, but it is not straight. Hence, it is called curved line. This line is straight. Hence, it is called straight line. Line is locus of points in the straight path. Appu places a ball on this point, say point A, and Gappu places a ball on this point, say point B. The part of the line between these two balls is called segment. This is segment AB. To measure the length of the given segment, Appu is drawing something. He has drawn a segment PQ. Now he wants to measure the length of this segment. For that, he takes the ruler of centimeter scale and places 0 mark of ruler on point P and adjusts ruler along the segment. We can see that point Q coincides with the mark 4 of ruler. Appu found the length of segment is 4 cm. Now Appu has drawn a segment MN. To measure its length, again he places 0 mark of ruler on M and adjusts ruler along segment MN properly. We can see that point N coincides with the small lines marked between these small lines are millimeter lines. Appu observes that point N coincides with third small line after mark 6. He writes 6 centimeters for mark 6 and 3 millimeters for 3 small marks. Therefore, the length of segment MN drawn by Appu is 6 cm 3 mm. In short, we can write 6 cm 3 mm as 6.3 cm. Use of the divider. Gappu knows a very simple method to measure length of segment. He has a sketchbook on which some line segments are drawn. He considers a segment XY to measure its length. To measure length, he takes a divider and ruler. He puts one end of the divider at point X and stretches other end up to Y. Gappu lifts the divider and places on ruler without disturbing the distance between two ends. He puts one end of divider on 0 mark. He finds other end coincides with the 7th millimeter line after 4 mark of ruler. He writes length of segment XY as 4.7 cm. To draw a segment of given length, it is too simple to draw a line segment of given length. Gappu wants to draw a line segment of length 7.7 cm. For that, he marks a point on a page at a proper place and names it as C. Then he places ruler on page and coincides 0 mark of ruler with point. He counts 7 marks and 7 millimeter lines and mark a point at 7th millimeter line and names it as D. He joins points C and D using ruler and pencil. In this way, Gappu has drawn line segment CD of given length is 7.7 cm. Summary. Dear students, in this lesson, we have learned line segment, to measure the length of the given segment, to measure the length by using divider, and to draw a segment of given length. So that is all in this lesson. Keep learning, students.